Welcome to the channel. With a coupe-like silhouette, the 2025 Polestar 4 is a sleeker and sportier-looking version of the Polestar 3 SUV. The 4 has a sloped rear end, like many coupe-ish SUVs, and wears a different tail lamp design than the 3. But the most interesting difference is that the 4 does not feature a rear window, opting instead for a digital rearview mirror. Although it seems like this would create an epic blind spot, we barely registered that the rear glass was missing when we drove the 4 in Europe. Both 268 horsepower single and 536 horsepower dual-motor powertrains are offered, with the more powerful configuration able to shoot the Polestar 4 to 60 miles per hour in ACD estimated 3.5 seconds. Polestar says the 4 SUV should be good for around 310 miles of driving per charge, but that's for the single-motor model, and the EPA hasn't yet weighed in. The dual-motor model should come in at about 280 miles per charge. The large 94.0 kWh battery pack can be charged at up to 200 kilowatts on a DC fast charging connection, and Polestar estimates it can charge from 10 to 80% in 30 minutes if you're lucky enough to find a charging station that's working to its maximum potential. The EPA hasn't released fuel efficiency estimates for the Polestar 4 yet, but we expect it to be slightly less efficient than the Polestar 2 sedan. When we get a chance, we'll take the Polestar 4 on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route and update this story with its test results. The price of the 2025 Polestar 4 starts at $56,300 and goes up to $74,300 depending on the trim and options, while the entry-level setup is a single 268 horsepower electric motor driving the rear wheels. The dual-motor Polestar 4 offers all-wheel drive in 536 ponies. An adaptive suspension system is standard with the dual-motor powertrain, but the single-motor model comes with a more conventional passive damper suspension system. We drove both models and came away impressed, though we felt the 4 is missing some of the driving engagement of its Polestar 3 sibling. While we estimate that the single-motor model will need 6.5 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour, the dual-motor model will offer much quicker acceleration numbers. All models come with a large 15.4-inch infotainment display with Polestar's latest Google-based interface. The system features Google Assistant and Google Maps and offers access to Google Play. Never fear, Apple users. CarPlay is included as standard. Also standard is a 10.2-inch digital gauge display which shows the driver basics like speed and battery range, but that info can also be projected onto a 14.7-inch head-up display. A 12-speaker Harman Kardon stereo system is available and can be had with bonus speakers in the front headrests, bringing the speaker count up to 16. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.